Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your three main heroes in Mobile Legends games. Okay, when you have reached the elite level, you will be able to choose and display the heroes that you master, and the maximum that can be displayed is 3 heroes. And you can see when you will play in ranked mode, you can see your 3 main heroes that you choose, and your teammates will see it too. So you can replace it. Just click on three heroes under the star, and to replace you can click the X and select another hero. For example, just click confirm. So the heroes has been changed. Alright, that's how you can change your 3 main heroes in Mobile Legends games. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.